Crypto is one of the fastest growing industries anywhere. Its explosive growth and history of creating millionaires are some of the main reasons that people are drawn to the space. But if you're just a beginner, it can be difficult to find and invest in the projects with the most potential. That's why we're putting together this video. It covers everything you need to know about investing in crypto as a beginner. Keep watching to learn more. Where to buy crypto? There are two main ways to purchase cryptocurrency. You can either do so through a centralized exchange like Coinbase, FTX, or Binance, or you can use decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap. It's much easier to buy from centralized exchanges as a new investor, as we recommend starting with those first. Get familiar with the process of buying and selling on a centralized exchange, and then you can begin branching out to the various decentralized protocols that crypto has to offer. Researching on which crypto to buy. Purchasing your first crypto assets is a fairly straightforward process once you've found the exchange that you want to use. What's more difficult for many people is figuring out which crypto assets they should buy. Most beginners tend to gravitate towards Bitcoin and Ethereum for good reason. They are two of the largest crypto assets and offer relative safety in an asset class that is known for being extremely volatile. Most crypto experts will recommend that you keep some Bitcoin and some Ethereum in your portfolio, but what else? CoinGecko is a good tool for figuring that out. You can use it to find the top crypto assets overall and begin researching the top assets within specific ecosystems such as Ethereum, Solana, and Binance. When you go to a crypto assets page on CoinGecko, it will also have many different links that you can go to click on for further research, such as the protocol's website, white paper, and technical documentation. These are all tools that you can use to begin getting a better understanding of which crypto assets are available. The more research that you do, the better that you'll get at identifying good assets to hold. It can also be helpful to create an account on Twitter and begin following active posters from the crypto community. This is where crypto enthusiasts talk about crypto trends, new projects, and news around the ecosystem. Getting plugged into this conversation will help you identify the most exciting new projects soon after they're launched. How to access decentralized crypto protocols. As you advance as a crypto investor, you'll soon realize that many of the most exciting up-and-coming tokens aren't available in centralized exchanges. To access these projects early, you'll need to be able to purchase them on decentralized protocols like Uniswap, where you can buy nearly any crypto asset no matter how big or small. You need a MetaMask wallet to get started with this. You can click on the link in the video's description to add the MetaMask extension to your Google Chrome browser. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the wallet creation process. After that, you'll need to withdraw some Ethereum out of your account on a centralized exchange and into your MetaMask wallet. Once you've done that, you'll be able to connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap and swap Ethereum or whatever crypto assets that you want on the Ethereum blockchain. With a MetaMask wallet and some Ethereum, you can also access crypto lending protocols like Aave and trade NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea. This setup really allows you to access all the world of crypto investing has to offer. The bottom line on investing in crypto as a beginner. Crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. You can make a lot of money if you make the right decisions and lose a lot of money if you make the wrong ones. It's best to start slow and not invest too much of your money into any single asset right away. This will help you build familiarity with the ecosystem without risking too high of a percentage of your savings while doing so. How do you feel about investing in crypto as a beginner? Did we answer all of your questions, or do you still have more that are unanswered? Let us know in the comments below and we'll do our best to give you an answer. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.